Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, May 24th. We continue with our series, I Am Enough, and today I'm bringing a new name, a new author into the series, Dr. Rick Hanson, who you probably know as the author of Buddha's Brain and many other wonderful books. Today I want to read from his book titled Just One Thing. And of course, we're going to do a practice around it, as always. Rick Hanson writes, to take any steps toward your own well-being, toward feeling that you are enough, you have got to be on your own side, not against others, but for yourself. And for many of us, that's harder than it sounds. Maybe you were raised to think you didn't count as much as other people. Maybe when you've tried to stick up for yourself, you've been blocked or knocked down. Maybe deep down, you feel you don't deserve to be happy. Right now, think about what it's like to be a good friend to someone. And then ask, am I that kind of friend to myself? And if not, it means you could be too hard on yourself, too quick to feel you're falling short, too dismissive of what you get done each day. But how can you truly help others if you don't start by helping yourself? The foundation of all practice is to wish yourself well, to let your own sorrows and needs and dreams matter to you. Then whatever you do for yourself will have real oomph behind it. So several times a day, you can ask yourself, am I on my own side here? Am I looking for my own best interest? Which will often include the best interests of others, so it's not selfish. Being for yourself simply means that you care about yourself. You wish to feel happy instead of worried, sad, guilty, or angry. You want people to treat you well instead of badly. You want to help your future self, the person you'll be next week, next year, next decade, to have a good life, as good as possible. Your experiences matter, both for the moment-to-moment experience of living and for the lasting traces that your thoughts and feelings leave behind in the structure of your brain. It is moral to treat people with decency, respect, compassion, and kindness, right? Well, people includes you. You have as many rights, and your opinions and needs and dreams have as much standing as those of anyone else in the world. When you take good care of yourself, then you have more to offer to others, from the people close to you to the whole to the whole wide world, and wild sometimes. I think it's a beautiful message, the one we often forget, and when we treat other people as wonderful human beings, we'll all a lot of times turn on ourselves with all this, I didn't do enough, I am not enough, I am just falling short on all aspects. So let's do a practice around this together. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be soft and easy, completely natural. There is nothing you need to fix about your breathing. Just like there is nothing that you need to fix about yourself. You are enough. See if you can sense spaciousness freedom as you connect with this thought. See if you can allow all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to recall what it feels like to be for someone. Maybe a child, pet, or dear friend. Notice different aspects of this experience, such as loyalty, concern, warmth, determination, advocacy. Let the sense of being on someone's side be big in your awareness now. And let your body absorb this. How does it feel in your body to be there for someone else with all those different aspects? And you may notice that maybe your posture shifts a little bit, or maybe you notice something else. Whatever it is, just stay with that. And now imagine yourself as a young child, sweet, vulnerable, precious. And extend the same attitude of loyalty, strength, and caring toward that little child. Imagine having the same sense and stance of loyalty, strength, and caring for yourself today. What does it feel like in your body to be on your own side? As you try to imagine that or feel that, notice if there's any resistance to doing this. And if there is, it's okay. Totally common, totally normal. We all do it. We all resist this kind of thing. See if you can let it go. Bring your hands on your heart and wish yourself well, first and foremost. And start repeating after me, silently or out loud. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel loved, cared for, at ease. May I know that I am enough. May I remember I am never alone. May I touch deep, natural peace. Now gently let go of your practice. As you do this, scan your body and notice how you're feeling right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. And as you go through your day today, I invite you to ask yourself as often as you can, am I on my own side here? Am I looking out for my own best interests? And remember, it's not selfish because often your own best interests include the best interests of others. Good times to do this kind of inquiry is when you feel bad, if someone is pushing you to do something, if you know you should do something for your own benefit, but you're not doing it. At these times or in general, bring to mind this feeling of being with someone who cares about you. And then care about yourself. Be there for yourself. As always, enjoy your discoveries. And of course, if you're inspired to share, please do so. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.